he made a little keychain with the charms from the Picky Pad. She sent string for him to do this with, and she also sent this free little Pop-It keychain that we put it on. So we're gonna put this on his backpack. He's very proud of it. It's such a cute idea for her to send string with the Picky Pads so the kids can turn their Picky Pads into something new.